All right, guys. So I am back in. Oh, I am back in the car. Oh, Jesus. I'm back in the car, and my gosh, I am just over the moon excited about this, you guys. I am so excited. I can't tell you guys enough. I got him, guys. I sure did. I went in there and I told them what's up. I showed them my letter. I slapped my letter down on that desk. I said, look, this is an ESA letter, and I will get that dog. And man, the look on their face, they were like, he was determined. We told him yesterday to get this letter. They were looking at me, the one young guy who had helped us yesterday. He walked up to me, he goes, my God, what did you do to get this so quickly? He was so like caught off guard by how quick the process was. Wow, man. Milton is daddy's. Wow. I can't even believe that. I have no words for how excited I am. I have no words at all. So now I just have to do a few things, and he definitely needs training, for sure. He definitely needs training, and I will train him, and I will get him trained, and he will be the best dog ever. Like, a dog is a man's best friend and all that stuff. Oh my God, it is so true. You just have to be dominant with him. He's a little mouthy. He likes to chew everything and nip at you, but not hard. He'll just like, so he has to be trained like out of that to stop doing that. And that'll be a task all by itself. And he will have to learn to not do that. They were like, he's gonna need a harness and a leash and all those things because he's such a strong dog. But I'm a strong person, so I don't think that I'll be getting pulled by any dog, for sure. I don't think a dog is gonna challenge me. So once it realizes, like, there was a lot that I wanted to do to the dog while I was in there, but I was trying not to like alarm them, like make it seem like, oh, I was going to be abusive towards the dog. No, he just needs some guidance and some counseling, and I'm willing to do those things. And not guidance and counseling, like it's not a therapy session, but he does need some TLC, and I will give him that TLC. So I'm actually really, really excited. I'm really, really excited for I'm just super excited. I can't tell you enough what this actually means to me, and I cannot wait for you guys to meet him tomorrow. He's getting neutered. They have to get neutered. Even though I don't really want him to be neutered, he has to be neutered. So that he doesn't go around making babies and all this other stuff. That's what happens when you get an animal from the Humane Society. They have to be spayed and they have to be neutered. I do not like that at all in any stretch form of the imagination. I just don't like it. But at the same time, what can you do? He was from another foundation called Dolly's Dream, And because he was from Dolly's Dream, and he had moved to the Humane Society for a better chance of being adopted, a more a credible place, I guess, a more credible environment or place or whatever. He has a better chance of being adopted, and that's what it's all about. And so, and he is now adopted. He is now adopted, and he comes with everything: a cage, a leash, food. He comes with every last thing, and also he was completely free. His adoption fee was waived because of the foundation that he comes from, which is more of a draw, or was more of a draw, to get him, because he's free. And I didn't even know he was free until they just told me that today. Then also, he comes with a medication for deworming, and he has to be on deworming medication for his entire life, just in case that the worms do not come back. He has to have checkups and shots and stuff, and I don't really have a problem making sure that he takes a medication from the mouth. It has to be by mouth, and then the antibiotics, for a long time, for a few months, and then after that, he's done taking the 2 sets of antibiotics and something else they said, but I'm forgetting now. But they'll rebrief me again before I take the dog home, what exactly happens. But I am I'm just over the moon. Like, I was like, so is it like 1 pill a day? And he was like, yeah, it's 1 pill a day, and he'll be good. He just needs some training, and he just needs to be, basically housebroken and potty trained, because he will pee on everything. And I was like, yeah, he needs to be taken, for a walk and stuff. If he gets taken for a walk, I'm pretty sure he'll be fine. But I'm getting ready to get on the turnpike here, so I will catch back up with you guys when I tell my wife the news. So they have me sitting in one of the waiting rooms. They're bringing Milton to me so I can meet him for the first time, like, from behind the glass. And if he's neutered, I'll get to take him home today. But if he's not, I have to pick him up tomorrow after they neuter him. But wish me luck. Hey y'all, Christian Stylez back for another video. This video is going to be a very important one, because I have come to the Humane Society, which is right over there, 3 times now. Today would be my 3rd time trying to get this dog for my family. My wife and I need an emotional support dog, so and I'm sure I'm going to go in depth throughout this video and tell you guys why once the dog is actually here. But this is my 3rd attempt, because yesterday they had said, oh, go get a letter from a psychiatrist, and then maybe you'll be able to get it. And so that's what I did. So I'm getting ready to make this U-turn. I don't know if I can make this U-turn with one hand. This big ass SUV, but I'm gonna go ahead and try. Okay, oh my gosh. All right, so I made the U-turn, but I got my cord all twisted up in the steering wheel while I was at it. All right, I'm pulling in, and let's try this again. Wish me luck, guys, wish me luck. I have the letter from the psychiatrist, so hopefully I don't have to do anything but pay for him and leave. I'll check back with you guys. Milton! Hey! Hey! Ew! Stop Stop licking my toes, boy. Stop licking my toes.
I think he does like
Ew,
me.
no. Don't lick my toes. Don't lick those. Milton, you say hi to your new family? To your subscribers? Hi. Say hi, Milton. You're such a pretty boy. You know that? You're such a pretty boy. No. You can't have the string. He always wants to have the string. You are a pretty boy. You know that? You know that? You know that, my Milty Poo?
Hey.
Dada? You want to come with Dada?
Hey, I just had a quick question. Are you ready to talk right now?
Milty.
Are you ready to talk right
Hi,
now?
Papa. Hi, Papa. Papa, give me kisses. Kisses. Yeah. Milty boy.
Okay. So when you're ready.
Oh, what a beautiful day. Yes. All right. Let's go back to the car. Okay, so we are I actually wanted to let you guys know that it has been what a week, 2 weeks since we got Milton. How long has it been?
More than 2 weeks.
3 weeks?
Yeah, like 3 weeks.
I think yeah. Okay, so yeah, we've had our dog for about 3 weeks, and he's a beautiful mixed pit bull terrier.
Yeah.
So they say he's mixed, but I think he's just full on pit bull.
Yeah.
And we are absolutely in love with him.
Yeah.
He has been the greatest thing ever. He just needed some guidance and a few different kinks worked out of him, and like, you know, he likes to nibble and you know, certain things like that, and try to bite mommy's butt a few times. But I absolutely love him. Like, he's awesome. And so I encourage anybody who feels like they may need a dog for whatever reason, for therapy. It is really true what they say. A dog really does change your heart, your body, your everything. It really does change you for the better. And I am tickle pink that this has happened for me. Now, I'm going to say this, and I hope this is extremely clear. Never. Well, let me not say never. Be prepared for what it may cost you before you get a dog from the Humane Society. Because the Humane Society was so difficult to get us to this point, it is unreal. We tried almost everything to get this dog. They wouldn't even let us see the dog until they had what they wanted from us. And they are way too invested and way too involved in the worst kind of way. And, but the good news is that our dog came from a foundation called Dolly's Dream that does like bully breeds and what have you. And so with that, we were able to get a pit bull that was, I'm assuming he was rescued, because he does act as if he was abused. Like, he is scary almost, And so I feel as if he may have been abused at some point in his life, because what that foundation does is they take pit bulls and usually pit bulls, like the bully breeds and German shepherds and stuff, and they breed them. And so what they do is they raise them up in a different kind of way because they have been abused or taken advantage of, and then they find them a good home for them to go to. So we were fortunate enough to have found Milton, and he was a transfer. They got him as a transfer, and I knew from the moment I saw him that that was going to be my dog. I just knew. And lo and behold, he has been the best thing either of us could have wanted. He might be a lot to he has been a lot to live with, but he is honestly so awesome and so cool. He hogs the bed at night. And I mean hogs the bed at night. But he's great. He was neutered. That I feel like the Humane Society should have left up to the owner of the dog, because I didn't really want him to be neutered, because it changes the temperament of the dog, it changes him. I've seen a major change in him, because just us in the little room with him, you know, when we first met him, and he was super full of energy, and he was a ball of he was a firecracker. And now it's not that he's not a firecracker, he's just different. And I don't want to say that like that's a bad thing for him to have mellowed out or whatever, but it is a bad thing because he is a pit bull in nature. So I think that pit bulls need to be treated like pit bulls. They need to be themselves. They are that kind of dog, for a reason. They are that kind of dog for a reason, and I think that ought to be taken more seriously, and I think that they should have left the decision to neuter to the owners. Because I can guarantee you we wouldn't have been for it, because everybody around us was like, oh no, he needs his balls, and everybody was like totally against us, and the decision that we made. But the thing about it is, we didn't make the decision. It was you have to, or he's not coming home with you guys type of situation. Like, they forced us to do it, which, if anybody knows me, I don't like to be forced to do anything that I feel I shouldn't have to do. Nobody has the right to tell me how I'm supposed to be doing something. And I just was not for it, and I'm still not for it. And I have seen that it did change his temperament a lot. He was once like this really aggressive dog and was like untamable, but not untamable in a bad way. He was being a dog. He was doing what dogs do. He was doing what pit bulls do. And the thing about pit bulls are, people are afraid of them just from seeing them. That's just, people see them and run. And that's what we wanted. We wanted that kind of dog that was just, people would be very, very much fearful of. And so, although anytime I walk past someone that I feel may be afraid, I say, oh, he's good, he's not going to do anything to you. But in reality, I really don't know what he's capable of. I really don't know what he can and cannot and won't do, because he's still very new to us anyway. But I see day after day, he's getting more and more comfortable with us. Like, he's getting really, really comfortable. And I like that. And he should be getting comfortable with his new parents, because, we're the ones taking care of him. We're the ones making sure that he's okay and whatever else. It says the door is still open. And so I'm super, I'm just excited. I'm excited about life. I'm excited for this dog. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know the 3-week mark or however long, and how things have been going, because the other clips of this video were shot when we were first getting him versus how he is today. And I wanted this to be the ending clip so you guys know the beginning, the middle, and the end of what exactly happened, and how, like, we had to jump through hoops just to get him. So if you don't have like a stable place to go, or your owner is telling you no, or your landlord is telling you no, just go get an ESA letter and show up. Like, seriously, like we did. They told us to get an ESA letter, and we were like, why should I have to go meet with a psychiatrist, when I severely have a need for it? They were like, well, if you have a need for it, then it should be fairly easy for you to get one, so that's what I did. And it was fairly easy, because I actually truly do need one. Someone who's battled depression and suicide, and I actually do need one. And he's been great. And yeah, it took us a while to like get him to eat his food and stuff, and he wants table food all the time and a little bit of mommy's booty. And it's been great. But I guess that's normal for a dog to just sniff butts and want to be all up in somebody's butt cheeks. I guess it's normal for men too, because I like to be in mommy's butt cheeks too. But anyways, so yeah, so that's it. That's the story of our dog. And I'll put some clips of Milton in at the end. And yeah, so stay tuned for those clips. But afterwards, stay perfectly imperfect. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Hi, Georgia. Hi. Georgia. Hi, Georgia. So, Georgia is going to be Milty's companion. Yeah. They're both the same exact breed. They're both blue-nosed pit bulls, and she is so cute. Georgia. Hi. Georgia. Hi. She's such a good girl. Say hi to the channel, Georgia. You guys are going to be such a cute family. Huh? Hi, George. Georgia Winter. Georgia. Hi. Georgia. Your pretty pink bandana. Got a little bit of scabbies on you. It's okay.
You're almost the same height too.
Yeah, that's my idea, because they're so like
similar, yeah.
Go ahead and get some separation and walk this way and then back and forth. Yeah, let's get walking. Let's get walking.
Stop sniffing though, okay?
Keep them separate a little bit just so they walk. Yeah, you can go ahead and touch, get them close together. Come on. That's good. Okay, and wait, is Milton close to both of you? Sure. Can I get you to bend down and just pet both of them?
Sure.
I know you want to be my daddy, but you can't be my daddy. Go over there.
Hi, Miss Georgia. Hi, how you doing?
Now, eventually, Georgia is going to start feeling better, more relaxed, and that's when things are going to get crazy. Have you guys ever heard two kids play together? It sounds horrible. It sounds like they're killing each other, but it's just them being...
Just play.
Yeah.
He sounds like that on his own. Georgia! Georgia! Hi, girl! Are you playing with your friend? Hi! two of y'all running around, racing.
Oh, tired now.
Well, I guess it's nap time. Oh, man. To see these two in action. Thelma Louise back in action. Milton and Georgia sitting in the park, sniffing butts and vagina parts. Hi, guys. Hi. You guys are running around like mad people. So crazy. I knew they would be best friends. Come here, Georgia. Come here. Come here. Come here. Georgia. Milton and Georgia. Hi. 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 You guys gonna play? You guys gonna play? You guys gonna play? You guys are too tired still, huh? Georgia. Georgia, you're Stylez now. You're Stylez now. Georgia Winter. Georgia Winter. Hi. Georgia. You are a big plump, 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 plump girl. Hey. All right, so given my negative experience with the Humane Society and a few of their rules and the way that they do things and the way that I feel personally they're way too overly involved. They do want what's best for the dogs, and that's the good part, but for me, it's just personally, it just annoys the shit out of me. So basically, when we got Milton, I thought that we were complete. Like, our cute little family was complete. I have a son on the way. Milton is here. My wife is good. And then Milton just became too good. He was just too good of a dog, and I just felt like he deserves better. He deserves someone. He deserves a companion, either romantically or family oriented, And so we went ahead and we went back to the Humane Society, and lo and behold, his perfect match, perfect breed, same color. They're both blue nose pit bulls, and one's a male, one's a female. So we just went with it, and I couldn't be more pleased with the dogs that I have. I absolutely love them to death, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And this is being filmed a lot 3 months later after we got Milton, so most of you who don't follow my Instagram account would never even know that I had a dog, but when this video goes up, you guys will. So I am just so glad my wife is over there, and we're doing all right. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay perfectly imperfect, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.